Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia M10 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to follow all of my steps and apply them to your browser. So all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on delete browsing data. Here we've got, let's say, basic options, so we can remove browsing history, tabs, cookies, cache and other site data. We can change the time rate just by tapping on this option and choose it by tapping again and tap on delete data. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, tap on more options and they are right here, so saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. We can also change the time range. I'll choose all time and then tap on delete data. As you can see, we just got back to the, maybe not the homepage, but the browser itself, which means that we just successfully removed all browsing history. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.